Villamor is with a special guest of ours here in the Shakey's B-League. Rina.
Yes, we have two special guests right here. We are graced by Governor Alvaro Bong Antonio and his daughter, Criselda Antonio, the Provincial Sports Coordinator of Cagayan Valley. Welcome here at the Shakey's B-League, Gov and Criselda.
Thank you.
Yes, Gov, my first question is that you have come up with your own basketball team. Now, what encouraged you to come up with your own volleyball team and bring them here in the Shakey's B-League?
I saw in our province that we have potential players who could become athletes of national caliber, especially sa volleyball. So, in order to inspire them, I put up this team so that it will be an inspiration for young athletes who are interested in volleyball to develop their skills and become athletes of national caliber.
And then how did you come about choosing your players and the team coach Mike Rafael to head Cagayan Valley team?
We held tryouts and we have known Coach Rafael since he coached the Cagayan team last June, and we were very satisfied of his performance as a coach.
And then how can you see what are the potentials of this team, or how competitive can Cagayan Valley team will be in this Shakey's B-League conference?
As far as we are concerned, it's anybody's ball game because we believe that we also have athletes who could handle athletes of the other teams. We have prepared well. They have prepared well, and it's as I have said, it's anybody's ball game.
Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyo, Governor Antonio, and of course to his daughter Criselda. Back to you guys.
Alright, thank you, Rina, and thanks, Gov, and your daughter, Criselda, and you know what, and yung mga katulad ni Gov na taga Cagayan, yan yung mga malaking maitutulong sa ating mga young athletes, not only in volleyball, na-mention din ni Rina, also basketball.
Yes.
Of course, there are a lot of different sports out there who need help from everywhere, no? From kung sino makakatulong, and I really commend Governor Antonio for his help here in putting up a team in the Shakey's B-League.
That's right. Yung pinaka-importante dyan din talaga yung exposure, no?
Yes.
And that's exactly what these ladies are getting here in the Shakey's B-League.
FEU now, napako sa 8. Itong Cagayan Valley Rising Suns.
Patrona, of course, a former player of De La Salle University. Getting that point.
It's too far back. Dug up by Tabaquero. Eulalio!
Excellent play. C and Eulalio.
Look at this.
Excellent timing.
Ganda.
Isa lang yung blocker niya, no?
Coach Mike Rafael wants to talk things over. Let's listen in.
Wala, maliit lang kasi ang dapat sa kanya, sigurado ko tayo na bola. Sabi ko nun, kapag ka nasan ka, nandito ka, ikaw mag-service. Ito ko tayo sigurado service. Kaya papasok na sa kumbang, ano pala po sa defense natin. Inupensahan nyo natin. Sabayan mo, sige, lagi yung quick. Sabi ko na, bibig lagi na. Ha? Sabayan mo, ano? Tapos,
Alright, the FEU Makati campus is the newest campus of Far Eastern University. They're now accepting enrollees in the following degree programs: Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. Get that business education in the heart of the business district. 836-2002, www.feu.edu.ph. Tabaquero to Jonella. Nagpalit na ng setter si Coach Mike Rafael, and Cabriana is setting right now. Shaira Cabriana. I saw this young girl play, and she's really impressive.
First time I saw her, bago pa lang, no?
Yeah, rookie year, pero ang ganda ng diskarte.
Tsaka matapang kasi sa loob.
Matapang, very confident, and that's what those are good qualities that a setter must have.
coming from a setter himself.
Oh, come on.
Nung pati pa yung bola.
Huwag mo nang ihabol yun.
Nung pati pa yung bola.
At marami pang mga nabago mula no. Marami nang naging pagbabago sa rules, how the game is played, etc., etc. Let's not talk about that anymore.
Pero magaling na player tong si Doc Ian.
Okay. Bawi no? Sabay bawi. Poor reception, this time from Chu Lim. And FEU is starting to pull away 14-9. Giselle C. serving. Oh, nice play.
Blocking was not tight there for FEU.
De Los Santos, a very, very effective middle attacker. Very effective. At ito yung setter na talagang kabisado niya.
Oh, yung timing. Makikita mo, Cabriana. Of course,
And
she's used to
yes.
playing with her.
Ooh! Poor reception from Remulla, and Giselle C not able to handle it. Cagayan, 11. FEU, 14. Nice serve.
Oh, excellent serve, falling right at the line. Yan yung maganda, floater. Seems like the ball is gonna sail out, but the very last minute you will see it drop.
Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Nice serve. The block was there, waiting for Petrona. She gets it back though.
Patrona, that was long.
Too wide right there. And si Coach Ness Pamilar ng FEU needs to call this timeout. The lead is cut to 1 point. Let's listen in.
So, pero sa last line babagsak yan. So, gusto lang muna lang. Kung tayo makareceive. Pag nag-alangan ng receive, pag nag-receive, tawag lang sa spiker, dahan-dahan lang. Huwag mo mamadaling. Ngayon, pag maganda ang receive, play mo na discarte mo. Ha? So, sige.
Alright, the Ninoy Aquino Stadium with a lot of excited, happy, and talagang loyal volleyball fans of the Shakey's V-League. And sila, and they have been with us for the past 9 years, still going strong, and a lot more exciting stuff coming your way. Again, our game days, ito ang importante kasi we have 3 game days in a week. We have Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. We start off our first game at 2, and we have lined up 3 games each game day. So, sulit na sulit yung pagpunta ninyo dito sa ating bagong playing venue sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium at the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex.
That's right. So, yung isang punta mo lang dito, imagine you can already watch 3 games.
Yes.
O, diba? What better way to spend your day?
That's true. Especially now, we started off with this long weekend opening, so sulit na sulit. So you can still come over Tuesday to catch the second day of our Shakey's V-League. And another thing, itong Ninoy Aquino Stadium is so convenient.
Yes, to go to.
You know, you've got a lot of ways to choose from. To come here, no? Pwede tayo sa LRT, and of course we also have the jeepneys and the shuttles, the buses, and my favorite, the pedicab.
The pedicab is my favorite too.
Kahit umuulan, bumaba, lulusugin.
Galing Cavite, pedicab.
Baka pagdating mo dito, kailangan mo maligo ulit. Sa layo nun. Tsaka wala siguro papayag na pedicab drive.
Hindi ako yung nagpe-pedicab.
Ikaw yung kukuha ng pasahero. O daan naman ako sa laba. Lumayo. FEU with a 1-point lead. Second technical timeout. They're up 16-15. We'll be right back.